Are you ready for Quizzy Fun? Let's go. Can you pass this maths quiz? Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Easy mode. The correct answer is 7. The correct answer is 60. The correct answer is 600. The correct answer is 37. Medium mode. The correct answer is 20. The correct answer is 17. The correct answer is 12. The correct answer is 26. Hard mode. The correct answer is 15. The correct answer is 8. The correct answer is 18. The correct answer is 30. Great job. Bye, see you in the next video.